What you got? Huh? Nah, I ain't come to criticize you, man. I come to give you your props. I came a long way. You got your stomach out, girl.
Like your husband.
Y'all know you can show out. I'm here for it.
You got them barbecue samples on?
He got those sandals on them, Jesus Jesus. I can't wait. That boy got the chickens over there. My boy done pulled the apron out. What it say? Let me see. Boy, you got a big old chest. Oh, boy, you got a big old chest. Let me see them arms. Oh, boy, you big. Now let me see the bottom. Let me see the bottom. Oh, boy, just mismatched for no reason. That boy just mismatched for no reason. That boy just mismatched for no reason. What you got going over here, big fella? You seasoning your cold?
Bad, right, bro?
I like you. I like that type of barbecue. Oh shit! What was that? Mama said. Mama said. Mama said you all right, scared?
Hey, that's like on my gym move. I ain't Tyler Perry.
Look at that boy back.
Hey. Huh? Nah, we going in trade. Yes, we ain't using it no more.
Oh, the boy done pulled out a towel. He's got a towel out now. He's in the wild. Look at this one. We just don't know about him. Uh-oh, the cookie came out. Uh-oh. Tell the people what you're doing.
Man, what I'm doing is...
Rick, we got Rick Ross here. Ooh.
What I'm doing is keeping those eels moist, you know what I mean?
They very moist. Got that chicken, man.
That chicken.
You're going to have to go down to your leg.
I want to see you acting like cool on TikTok. What's that? I'm here to criticize.
He ain't planning on that
Y'all
grill.
fucked him up, too.
Yeah, we drove our way 4 hours to come try this barbecue. The customer service was a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
They showing it.
Oh, no pink. Okay.
Let me tell you.
Let me know what the taste, what the season taste like.
Let's all get a piece and try it.
We here to criticize.
You damn right.
Damn, look at this
Oh,
nigga
my
here.
bad,
Goof ass.
All right, you got to get in the
Man,
camera.
look at my nigga. See, if ain't no real
Hey.
nigga gonna say some real shit,
That
real
bitch got a lot of seasoning on it, but it's
That
good.
bitch ain't got a lot of season. It's just hot right
It's
now.
seasoned
Oh,
real
look.
good.
Look.
It's juicy.
Oh, good.
And you know he don't eat our food.
It was good?
Tamar,
What you
can
eat?
I Tamar, can I have a piece? Let me get that right there. Can I get that?
God, to be a part of this day that you have created and made, and Lord, allowed us to be a part of it, Lord. Hey, I tell y'all what, I appreciate y'all.
If we didn't come, you and your